Hi, I'm Nikki Jabor, and today I want to share the best bush bean varieties to grow. Bush beans are one of the easiest vegetables to plant in your garden, and the tender pods come in shades of green, yellow, purple, and even red. I've grown dozens of bush bean varieties over the years, and here are the ones I plant every summer. Provider. Provider is a bush bean with a lot to brag about. Not only is it an early maturing variety that starts to produce a harvest just 50 days from seeding, it's also more tolerant of cool soil, so you can plant it a bit earlier in the spring. The bushy plants stay compact and are resistant to several common bean diseases. The round pods grow up to 5 inches long, and the plants offer weeks of the tender pods. Mascot. Mascot is an award-winning bean that have grown in garden beds, as well as pots and planters. The productive plants yield very slender pods that are held above the leaves for quick and easy harvesting. Expect to start picking just 2 months after seeding. Dragon's tongue. This is an heirloom bush bean that's beloved for its unique yellow pods that are streaked in deep purple. The flat pods grow about 6 inches long and are delicious raw or cooked. But if you cook them, keep in mind the purple color disappears like magic. Use them as snap beans or let the pods mature and collect the bean seeds to use as dried beans. Trilogy mix. If you've got a small space but want to grow more than one color snap bean, plant Trilogy mix. This bean blend includes yellow Rock Door, purple Royal Burgundy, and green Provider, with all three varieties maturing around the same time. Goldilocks. This beautiful yellow wax bean has butter-colored pods that grow 5 to 6 inches long. The high-yielding plants start to produce just 50 days from seeding and continue for weeks. You can also expect excellent disease resistance. Royal Burgundy. Royal Burgundy is a beautiful bean with deep purple pods that turn green when cooked. It's very easy to grow and needs just 50 days to start cropping. Expect great flavor and tender pods that grow about 5 inches long. Other excellent bush bean varieties include Nickel, Maxabel, Jade, and Gold Rush. Happy growing!